Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert 3 column in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs app. Then go to your text and firstly select the text. Then go to the format menu and go to the column option and go to the more option. Now we can see here are number of column option. Now I am click number of column drop down menu. Now I am select 3. Then you can see here are spacing inches 0.5. You can increase or decrease this. Then select line between columns. Then click apply. Now you can see insert 3 column in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.